you're done. You just created your own business card by yourself. It was quick, fun, and easy, and you only paid $10.50 for 50 business cards. What a deal. Hey guys, and today I'm going to be telling you how to create your free and easy business cards. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. The first thing you want to do is type in your browser Canva.com, because that is what we're going to be using to create our easy free business cards. Now it's going to ask you to sign up, so all you got to do is sign up and put your information in. Okay, so after you have logged in or signed up, now I'm going to be showing you how to create your business card step by step. So first what you want to do is go to templates. So Canva has a whole bunch of things you can do on here to create your own invitation cards, posters, flyers, Instagram post, story, logo. Canva has all of that. Today we're going to be specifically showing you how to make business cards. So you want to go to business and go to business card. Now Canva has all these templates that you can use to make your business card. All you gotta do is change the lettering to how you want it in your style. They have a whole bunch of templates, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make one from scratch. If you're like, oh, I don't like any of these templates, they don't fit my style of how I want it to be, I'm going to show you how to make your own. You want to click create blank business card. So here Canvas is still going to show you the templates if you just want to plug it in and edit it to how you want to be and stuff like that. Canva over here at the left has different backgrounds, so they have literally different color backgrounds that you can pick from. You could even generate your own color, or say I want like a lighter color, I would use that. So you can also import text, little cute text, thank you. Say you want a thank you card for your business. You can put that little thank you card. So I'm going to use this as an example. You can also, you don't have to do a thank you card, but I'm doing one just to show you guys. Just say you want a thank you card. It says thank you. Put in you could put in any type of things you want, different icons, shapes, hearts. Say you want hearts at the side. You can use different ones. You want small mini hearts around. You could just do anything you want on Canva. That is the great thing about Canva. You could just do anything you want, anyhow you want, in any type of style you want. And it's really fun, and it's free. You don't have to pay for it. So you can also do the photos that they have here, but I don't know if you would need those. Like, I don't know if you would need those, but you can also do photos. See, they have cute photos and stuff like that that you can use. You can also upload your own photo if you want to use that. Okay, they have different headings. I'll show you guys the headings. Say I want use code. Let's say it's a thank you card. So let's say I want use code. Use code LOVE for 10% off. Super cute, super easy. You can change the font. You know, they have a whole bunch of fonts that are like really cute. And any type of font that you want. The ones with crowns on it, sadly you cannot use. I wish you could, but you can always try Canva Pro. And Canva Pro, you get it for free for 30 days, but you have to pay for that. But I would recommend just using this for now because it still gives you so many advantages that you can use. You could change the color of it. Make it bold. Make it italic. Play around with these colors because they are really cute. I showed you how to add elements, upload photos. All you gotta do is drag in the photos, basically. Drag in the photos. I'm using my logo, but that does not look cute in there, but I'm just showing you what you can use. in there. And these are mostly what Canva has. You just have to look around. So now we're gonna get, this is your business card. Okay, this is your front of your business card. This could be your front or your back. But if you're doing like a business card with a front and back, you would have to do add new page, and maybe the back could be thank you, and then the front could be your business name. Now we're gonna put a business name. We could say this is my business name, and literally put it right there. Say you want it to look like this. I don't know how you want it to look. I'm just giving you guys like a heads up. I'm just giving you guys examples of what you can do. Oh, that's real cute. Oh, I haven't even been on here with these fonts. That's real cute. Say you want a flower. They have cute ones. Oh wow, this is actually, I did something cuter than my own business cards. My business cards was real cute, but this is cute. So say this is the front of your business card, so I guess you would, this would be the front, and then this would be the back. When you've done playing around with all the different things that Canva provides, and you're ready to print, you would click print business cards. And you just click double-sided because you want it double-sided. And then you would put print all pages. So pick which type of paper you want. There's standard paper for $10. There's premium paper for $11. And then there's deluxe paper for $29. Now, I recommend going with the standard paper or even the premium paper. But you can go whatever paper you want. Let's say we're doing the cheaper version. Do standard paper. If you want a matte finish, gloss finish, uncoated finish, whichever one you want. So you want a gloss finish, that's $10.50. 50 copies. Say you want, it's actually really cheap. It's really cute and really affordable. Say you want 100 copies, but let's say we're going with 50 copies. Let me continue. I was just showing you like, do you see any white edges around the area and stuff like that? If we don't see any, then it's good. Then you want to check the danger zone because some of it might get cut out in printing, and this is fine. You can literally just go ahead and just edit this right here. Then click continue. You can just download it, whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and just download this. I know this is not mine's, but I just want to download it because I'm really like this look and I'm really inspired. So I'm gonna do this for my own business cards. Then you click continue. So then you would just put in your information, your address, click continue, and then you put in your payment method and stuff like that. Boom, you're done. You just created your own business card by yourself. It was quick, fun, and easy, and you only paid $10.50 for 50 business cards. What a deal. So if you guys liked content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and even leave a comment. Anything is appreciated. If you want me to do more videos like this on how to like do things for your business that are like nice, cheap, and easy, then comment below if I should do them. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.